have free money, so you don't know that there are actually free money that you can actually opt in and grab. Not specifically grab it, but at least apply for those free money. Now we have free money like grants. Grants are money that are actually given to you for a particular purpose. Now the person that gives you this money, or the organization that gives you this money, do not expect that money back in return, or do not expect to have an interest on that money back in return, but rather they actually want to see you do what they gave you the money to do. And now I know that there are a lot of brilliant minds on this particular platform that needs money to either start up a business, start up a goal, start up a dream, achieve a dream, do something with money. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive right into this video of the day. So beautiful people, welcome back. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the first time, please do watch, subscribe to our channel, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, we'll love you as usual. Well, without wasting much of our time, it is no news that there are some websites on this online street that actually give you money to start up something, especially those that give you grants. Now we have loans. Loans are money that are issued to you to do something or for a specific purpose, and you in return pay it back with a certain percentage as interest or whatever means you have. Now there are also some loans that actually require you to put down something, either like a collateral, maybe a house, a car, or a registered business document, or whichever means that they require of you to give you that particular money. Now that one is a different thing from what we are about to share right now. What we are about to share right now is actually grant. Grant is the sum of money either an organization or the government decides to give you for free without expecting anything in return, but for a purpose. Now you have to specifically state your purpose and what that money should be used for or would be used for. Now it is left for them to decide either you fit for that, or either you can carry out that tax which their money would actually be allocated to you for. Most of these grants actually do not require you to pay back, so definitely they are not easy to come by. Now it is not news that a lot of farmers in Nigeria actually applied for some grants, I think a year or 2 years ago, and some were getting a lot of money. Now if you are in the northern part of Nigeria, no doubt you definitely know that there are some people that even got up to 2 million naira for a farmer's grant. Now it was issued by the Nigerian government. Now this particular grant is actually entrepreneurs grant, and is basically or more of students grants, where you actually put down your opinion or what you have or your goal or your mind or your dream. You put it down and submit it to them, and they do what? They access it and actually give you this particular money. Now the money is up to $100,000. Now $100,000 is really too much money to give out, but then again, let's look at the process and procedure of how you can actually be a part of this grant and start getting this money paid to you. Not wasting much of our time, this is actually the website. The website is called gsea.org. gsea.org, which is Global Students Entrepreneur Awards.org, which is an organization or something. So this particular website or this particular group of people that are giving out $100,000 are actually an organization. Now this organization do not or is not limited to any geographical location or to any location in the world. You can sign up on this organization and apply for this grant from wherever you are in the world. Your location does not matter, because they even have for black people. As you can see right here on their profile here, or on their platform here, they have the picture of a black girl. Now it is a competition where you have to strive to be a winner, or you have to strive to be part of the winners. Now let's just look at what this grant is all about. It is a student entrepreneur grant. So if you are working with a Nigerian government, this grant is not for you. But if you are someone that has a business mindset, or if you know someone who is interested in bringing up a business in Nigeria or in any part of the world, and that business is actually legit, but the person needs investment or funds to start up that business, you can do what to share this video, because that is what this video is about. Now, although they say it is Student Entrepreneurship Award, but it doesn't matter whether you are a student or a single mom or a working class mom or a stay-at-home mom. What matters is you having a wonderful business idea, you having a wonderful business idea that can expand into a bigger organization later in the future. Now, it says the 2023 or 2024 GSSEA competition season is now open. Join the brightest young entrepreneurs that are looking to do what? Looking to make money online. You can follow a new cohort of change makers as they compete. You can also showcase and seize the opportunity to showcase your business power. Apply now and unlock your path to success. Now, this particular website, you can apply on this particular website. You can read about them here where it says about GSEA. They're actually a legit organization that releases global funds, and they do this almost every year. Now, if you do not know this, even right here in Nigeria, we have our own global funds that are being issued, or grants that are being issued by our own Tony Elumelo. If you know the UBA owner, just go and type it into your browser. UBA grant or UBA fund by Tony Elumelu. You will know that yes, definitely he is giving out. I think his own is $10,000. That is the chairperson of UBA. Are looking for how to make this money or get this free money? Just come right here to where it says apply for grant on this particular website. Now, when you scroll down, it says call to enter for 2024. Now, I think they are done with their 2023 section, or they are still on. It is still on now. You have to click on this place that says apply here. Now, on this platform that says apply here, you can just scroll down and see what they do here. Now, this is how you can submit your application. You reschedule the application and submit it online. You click on apply here. Let's see what it brings us to. Now, these are the things that you need to apply, or how to apply. Now, they have for new users and they have for returning users. If you are a returning user, you can just go through their portal for a returning user application. And also, if you are a new user, you can just hit the sign up button by inputting your what? Clicking on this button that says sign up here. Now, once you click on this button that says sign up here, you can input your Gmail, you input your password, and then you confirm your password, and that is how you can sign up on this website. Now, once you sign up on this particular website, they will send you an email that will require you to further your registration on this particular website. You take it gradually and slowly. Please do not rush your registration, and do not exaggerate the amount of money you can make or you need them to give you. Please set realistic goals, because I know some of you, because you've heard that it is a grant, some will not set realistic goals. But please, I need you to set realistic goals on this particular website. Now, without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what? Subscribe to our channel, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, you know we love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.